Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use multi-chain trading on the Zerion wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Zerion app, then go to the settings menu, and at the settings menu on the top of the screen you should see these little story icons where Zerion introduces new features to the app. And to learn about the multi-chain trading, you just have to tap on the multi-chain, which is the third one here. It's not sure if it's going to be the third one for you as well, but it's going to be up there somewhere. And here you can learn more about it. So trade across 10 plus networks and 500 protocols. As you can see, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, Aurora, Optimism, Avalanche, Phantom or BSC. Create your own Zerion wallet, smart wallet, which is shown down here. Introducing Zerion wallet, explore all of Web3 in one place. Select an asset and choose your desired network at checkout. So as you can see, you can choose the network that you want to use. Cheaper, faster multi-chain trading. So that's pretty much it, how you can use it. You can just go to manage your wallet, add your wallet to the Zerion app if you did not add any yet, or you can import a wallet from other protocols, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.